paw. Paw. Good boy.
Y'all got him looking like a prisoner. Okay, I'm videotaping this.
Oh! I'm fine, Hair Bear. Yeah. Oh, look. Madam.
You're silly.
Hello, my name is
Harris.
My name is Harris. I'm kicking. I'm kicking. I'm kicking.
Elise, I can't see you. Elise.
Ow, stop it! Stop, please! Let's not play with Harry. I want to play.
You look like you had a stroke.
Oh, you're cutie. Stop. No, you go away.
All right, I'm getting ready to cut this off. Be nice. 5 seconds.
I feel so bad for Harris.
Say bye. Bye.